And facing Narco Bureau heat over drug links, top Bollywood actor Deepika Padukone will be heading to Mumbai shortly. The actor is going to be cutting short her Goa trip, where she was shooting for an upcoming film. The Bollywood star, whose drug chats with her manager went public, is set to appear before the NCB tomorrow. The drug chats with manager Karishma date back to October 2017. As per the Goa airport, Deepika is expected to leave at 12:30 p.m. today, which is in about 25 minutes from now, in a chartered flight. The jet is going to be flying down from Hyderabad, picking her up from Goa, and then eventually flying her into Mumbai. Soon after the NCB summons yesterday, Deepika consulted her lawyers for further plan of action. Deepika's manager Karishma was earlier summoned by the NCB but did not show up. She will also accompany the actor to Mumbai and will be grilled by the NCB on the same day as Deepika. Deepika's chats showed that she sought hashish from her manager for a party at Coco Club. Deepika asked Karishma, quote-unquote, if she had mal.
12:30 बजे की उनकी फ्लाइट चार्टर जो है बुक है, थोड़ा डिले हो सकता है, लेकिन दीपिका पादुकोण अपने कमरे से बाहर नहीं निकली हैं। कल शाम से ही जैसे ही सम्मन की जानकारी उनको मिली, वो अपनी कमरे में ही बंद है। लगातार लीगल टीम से बात कर रही है, अपने परिवार वालों के टच में है। रात को बहुत बेचैन थी, नींद नहीं आई उनको, करवटें बदलती रही, क्योंकि कोई भी होगा जिसको सम्मान मिलेगा, इतना बड़ा सेलिब्रिटी, इतना बड़ा स्टार, तो बेचैन परेशान तो जरूर होगा। और सुबह से वो अपने कमरे में मौजूद है और इसी उधेड़-बुन में लगी हुई हैं कि कैसे एनसीबी के सवालों का सामना किया जाए, क्या-क्या सवाल पूछे जा सकते हैं। लगातार लीगल टीम से ही बात कर रही हैं और एक-एक पल उनके लिए बहुत भारी है। वो जाना चाहती है मुंबई जल्दी से जल्दी, क्योंकि कल एनसीबी के सामने पेश होना पड़ेगा और ये वास्तविकता से सामना होगा। अभी तक बहुत फिल्में की, बड़ी-बड़ी कहानियां, बड़ी-बड़ी स्टोरियां, बड़ी स्क्रिप्टें उन्होंने पढ़ी, बड़े-बड़े डायलॉग बोले, लेकिन यहाँ कोई डायलॉग काम करने वाला नहीं आएगा, कोई काम नहीं आएगा। यहाँ पे कोई रिटेक की भी गुंजाइश नहीं होगी। अगर एक गलती भी की तो उसका खामियाजा उनको भुगतना पड़ेगा, गलती सुधारने का मौका नहीं मिलेगा। लेकिन हम वहाँ खड़े हैं, इसी गेट से दीपिका पादुकोण निकलने वाली है और इसी होटल में मौजूद हैं। हम दिखाएंगे आपको दीपिका पादुकोण को, क्योंकि जब से ड्रग मामले में उनका नाम आया है, एक भी तस्वीर उनकी सामने नहीं आई है और सम्मन आने के बाद तो वो कमरे में ही बंद है। तो आज हम कोशिश करेंगे कि दीपिका पादुकोण का एक रिएक्शन मिले, एक उनकी झलक दिखाई दे कि उनका क्या रिएक्शन है सम्मान मिलने के बाद, इस पूरे मामले में उनका नाम आने के बाद।
Nagarjun Dwarkanath is joining us from Goa airport now. Nagarjun, is Deepika running on time? About 20 to 20 odd minutes or 25 minutes that she is expected to leave Goa to fly into Mumbai with the flight which is arriving from Hyderabad to pick her up. Is she on time? What are you picking up?
It seems like there is a delay, Chaiti. The initial time was 12:30, but there is no movement of any VIP at this point of time here at the Goa airport. The police, the local police are here since last 1 hour. The CISF are on board here. In fact, the initial intimation to CISF was there is an alert that a chartered plane will take off around 12:30, and there is also a VVIP movement. So they also joined the dots and collaborated and confirmed that there might be chances of Deepika Padukone leaving at 12:30 this afternoon. But till now, there is no such movement of her reaching this airport. We are also waiting very eagerly that if she reaches, what would be her opinion? Will she react to the media? We'll have to wait and watch if today she will take off from Goa, or will she have any other means? Will she drive through by road itself to Mumbai? Highly unlikely, but still we are hoping that she would reach here anytime soon in the next 20 to 30 minutes, as initially it was reported that 12:30 was the time that was given for the charter plane to take off.
Nagarjun, has she left her resort in Goa? Because we haven't seen any visuals of her coming out of her resort in Goa at the moment. And the resort, I believe, is about an hour away from the airport.
As of no, she has not left her hotel. She is still at the hotel at this point of time here in Goa. She has not even come out of the room, is what we are told. So there might be a delay of at least 1 hour or 1.5 hour, 45 minutes to 90 minutes. Sometime there is what we are told. Considering it's a chartered plane, it can easily be rescheduled. It's a non-scheduled aircraft. So with a span of 30 minutes, things will change. It's quite dynamic at this point of time. We'll have to wait and watch in the next couple of hours, in the next 1 hour, if Deepika will reach Goa airport.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.